Next.
From Lara Begira. Hashtag Ask Jill. Hi Jill, can you once again perform The Little Prince and Beautiful? These are the songs we perform with part-time and during our audition in US, but we only see it in social media. We would love and hope to witness it live during the fan day. Please, thank you so much. Gusto niyo po ba po? Ala, ang hirap nun. Tawagin na po natin si Hanyong. Wala. Hindi. Pero, okay lang po ba na if ever, until first chorus po, okay po ba yun? Okay. Seryoso po?
Okay, you, me.
Bayad po kayo?
Pakat.
Agree po ba kayo?
Okay, sige!
Ano ba yan? Hindi ako ready po. Wait na po. Wait po. Okay. Taas po eh.
Okay.
Okay lang po ba talaga po? Magkasundo tayo guys. Pag ako pumiyok, cut lahat Okay? Walang magpo-post guys. Joke lang. Sige po. Meron po tayong music po?
Music, meron. Okay. Stop!
Sabayan niyo po ako. Pwede po palakas po?
Volume mo.
Nakinig ako. Sige. Nay. Gusto niyo rin po ng beautiful po? Ito ako?
Pwede.
Acapella po gusto niyo po.
Walang music.
This is
Acapella.
네.
Okay.
What?
Acapella. Come on, very conti.
네.
Okay, conti. Yeah, center. Yeah, because they want to see your face. Yes. Okay.
이거 아니야.
Okay. 자,
konti lang po Wait.
conti.
Okay.
Hey.
It's beautiful. 하늘아래 너와 있다면 숨쉬는 것만으로도 좋아. It's beautiful life, beautiful day. 너의 기억에서 내가 살 텐데 Beautiful life, beautiful day 너의 상황부터 Beautiful my love Beautiful your heart It's beautiful life
Beautiful. So beautiful.
Yeah, so beautiful. Iba yun.
Kailan naman? So beautiful.
Paus tayo nito.
Cha. Last.
Oh, from Christine Mendigori. Hi, our
Philippine. One pick.
Ay, Tata, can I share a story po? Okay. Alam niyo po ba, sinabi ko na to sa kanya. Kanina po, di ba? To be honest, umiiyak ako kanina umaga, guys. Tapos, edi nag-share ako. Pagising ko po, may message. Si Tripik daw. Tapos, sabi ko po, alam niyo po sabi niya, edi nag-share ako na, naiiyak ako, ganyan. Parang, di ko alam ganyan, sabi niya, no, you can do it. You have the power of Tripik. Anong comment? Talaga, kapag pinanood niya to, sinabi ko sa kanya, sasabihin ko sa inyo yun. Wala na. Oy, Jel, my question is, did you ever have a particular moment where you down and giving up? If so, how did you gain confidence to get back on track and keep going for your dreams? Message.
Message dekat. Ako. Message.
Ne.
We are so proud of you. Thank you so much for inspiring many people, not just in the Philippines, but all over the world. Keep shining. We are always here for you and for the A-Hawk.
Wow, iyak na naman siya. Ayun. Yun nga po, kaya pa nang sabi ko kanina, never ko pong naisip na mag-give up. Pero siguro po pag may moments po na nawawalan na lang ako ng confidence sa sarili ko po, kung paano ko po nare-regain yun, and kung paano po ulit ako, at kasi po English eh. Ano po ba to? Ayun, basta kung paano po ulit ako nagpapatuloy po. I think, if may moments man po talaga na nawawalan tayo ng confidence and feeling po natin, gusto natin umiyak, gusto natin malungkot, maging malungkot, it's valid po. Iiyak niyo po siya lahat. If gusto niyo po siyang iiyak, i-feel niyo po kung ano yung nafe-feel niyo. As long as, kung alam niyo po na ayun lang yung bagay na kaya niyong gawin as of the moment. Kung malungkot po kayo, kung wala po kayong confidence, yeah, it's natural kasi tao po tayo. But gaya nga po ng sabi ko, marami pong tao, ibang tao, na sobrang taas ng tingin sa atin. But since hindi po natin nakikita yun, from their POV, hindi po natin nafe-feel sa sarili natin yan. So, hindi nyo man po kilala kung sino yung mga taong yun, but hindi po imposible na walang ganong klaseng tao. So, don't ever force yourself to be happy. Don't ever force yourself to be okay if you're not really okay. Kasi lahat po nang dadating sa inyo magiging forced din. So, feel niyo po kung ano yung nafe-feel nyo because everything is valid. Kasi tao po tayo. Diba po? Tama po. Right? And, sobrang thank you po sa message.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, this is last. Okay. Guys, thank you so much. Okay. I don't know how much you know that during the audition program, how much JL got stress and got pressure. We don't know. But JL is every round is he did well, and finally he is number 1 and top 1. Okay, JL, don't forget. Okay,
Hey.
you're back, you're throne. Everywhere we are there. We are here. Okay, here. Understand? Yes. 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 Okay. So you can, my request to you a favor.
Eh?
Favor.
Favor?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. For me.
Yes po.
Okay. Dance. 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 Play one.
Dance? Gusto mo?
Yes.
Dance?
Yes. Okay. From Cebu. Oh my
Thank
God.
you po.
From Mindanao.
Hello po. Wait, meron pong galing ibang bansa pa po.
And from Korea.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
From Korea.
Thank you po.
안녕하세요.
Yan. Kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida. Oh, thank you po.
Thank you po. Okay, can you?
Wow. Okay.
Shortly, shortly.
Para rin po worth it naman lahat. Sige po, sasayaw po tayo. Oh, okay lang. Sayawin, gusto niyo po ba yung mga naging past missions ko natin? Okay po? Okay.
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 What song?
Ah. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God!
So please, let's go. Let's go. 볼륨 업, 볼륨 업. 잘했다?
La fiesta!
뭐라고?
Ah!
What? 아, 이사빠?
La fiesta! La
오케이.
fiesta!
자.
La fiesta!
Okay. Sorry. This is my another favor. Okay, another request to JL. He agree. Okay. This is top secret, very confidence. Okay. JL. But still FNF is not allowed. But we try. JL is before. Okay. Okay, understand. JL. Before leave Philippines, JL one song recording. Yeah. But we don't know when release. Okay? Now JL is very confident. Okay? Part. Sabi? What? Sabi? Okay. Very special. This song composed by JL. And another one. Special. Top secret.
I think, but I don't know.
It's okay?
Ewan ko po. I don't know. Kung pwede.
You tell.
Okay po.
Oh, yeah, tell. Another composer. Who?
And to be honest po, hindi po siya mabubuo kung di po dahil sa tao po nito. Dahil siya po yung nag-help talaga sa akin. And actually po parang since first po namin to, ako po talaga yung lumapit po sa tao na yun. And feeling ko kilala niyo rin po siya lahat po. So, thank you po, Kuya Maki. Thank you po.
Maki, JL, composer, and lyrics together. Yes. Where is Kuya Maki? Wala. Okay, part.
Men.
Okay, sabi part.
Men.
Okay, sabi.
Wait lang. Tatry ko lang po. Ano ba? Grabe yung pawis. Okay po. Bali po. Okay. Wala na bigla ako. Okay po. Akala't hindi magaan. Sabihin mo kung ano ba talaga kasi. Ano bang meron sa atin na hindi mo masabi? Kailan ko malaman kung nalulurot ka na rin sa akin? Nakakahiya!
That is good.
Ay!
Come on.